Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's video, as you know, it's a Saturday. We're going to do a weekly market recap. We're going to look at the best trading of the week, at the best trade of the week and the worst trade of the week, right? This week we only took about 3 trades, and it was actually a winning week. It was a profitable week. Last week was a break-even week, so this being a winning week is a big win for us, right? So we're going to start off with the losing trade. We took a losing trade on gold, right? So as you can see here, prices were actually in a downtrend, and then prices actually broke below this structure here. Gave us a retest, and I anticipated to see prices keep on pushing lower as we had a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And I was like, okay, cool. Now we should be anticipating to see prices to push lower. So I called in a short trade here. But if you looked at this was Thursday on the 15th. So if you looked at it on the DXY, Thursday the 15th, right here, you could actually see like prices are actually looking to push lower, like it was 1500 hours my time frame. So you see the gold, the US dollar was actually getting weaker, and as we know, the US dollar is actually inversely correlated to the gold. So if DXY pushes lower, gold will go higher. So after I saw this candlestick, I told everybody to close this gold trade. I called in the trade. I told everybody, hey, close this trade. It didn't actually hit our stop loss. We actually managed to close the trade. I remember it was just about 10 pips, somewhere here. So we actually managed to close the trade with a very small loss of about 0.02%, right? And with that being said, this was the losing trade of the week. I actually just looked at its confluence with DXY and then closed it the trade. So sometimes the trade or the trend might be with you. You may see as if the trade will go your direction and all that, but you also need to look at its confluence with the DXY, see how the DXY is reacting, and that way you'll actually know what's most likely going to happen. If I didn't look at the confluence of this gold with the DXY, I probably would have held this trade and I would have lost a whole percent. But because of my understanding of its confluence with DXY, I actually closed the trade early and just lost 0.2%. So that was good. The winning trade of the week, both of them came from Euro USD. The first trade I called on Euro USD was actually this trade right here, and I actually shared it with you guys in the free VIP, in the free group, in the VIP and in the elite. Prices did break above this descending trend line, gave us a retest. I called in the short. Prices pushed about 4R in our direction, and then I told everybody to close the trade. The reason for that was because we're actually going to experience, we're going to have a interest rate and forms decision. So I told everybody it's not worth risking. Like, we were already 4% in, right? And this was a 1:7. So we are going to risk 4% just to make 3%. So it's not worth the risk. The risk was much bigger than the reward. So it wasn't making any sense. So I told everybody to close the trade. The interest rate decision came out. It reacted the opposite direction to our initial direction. So that was a good decision to actually close the trade out. And then after that, prices started consolidated, ranging a bit. And then after that, prices decided to break above this structure again. After that, obviously I understood like the trend is still going to be bullish. I took another trade. We closed it at 1:2. As you can see right now, it would have been still floating in profit, but I wouldn't really like to hold that long. Nowadays, I'm a day trader, so I don't really like holding trades that long. So I closed this trade at 1:2, this one at about 1:4. So we made about 6% profit this week. So yeah, that was actually it. We took 2 winning trades and 1 losing trade on gold, and that's how this week went. It was a beautiful trading week. Hopefully next week will actually be much more stable, as this week started off with a lot of range, a lot of consolidations, but actually ended up being a profitable week. So hopefully with all these fundamentals out of the way, next week will actually be very smooth, very calm, with a solid momentum, so that we can actually have a better trading week. With that being said, guys, I hope you had a good trading week as we did. Let me know in the comments below. Did you have a good winning week? Did you have a good profitable week? Or did you have a losing week? And if it was a losing week, what did you learn from that? Right? So with that being said, guys, I appreciate you if you've watched this video so far. Stay tuned. Tomorrow we'll be posting a video to break down the pairs that we'll be watching for the coming week, in order to see what trading opportunities await us. With that being said, guys, I appreciate you all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with a few friends that you believe will find value in this video. Till next time, guys, I appreciate you all. Take it easy out there. Peace.